Welcome back to Tool Mentorship, your ultimate destination for honest reviews of the best tools on the market. If you've been searching for the best detail sanders to elevate your woodworking or dye projects, you've come to the right place. Today we're reviewing 4 top-rated detail sanders that are perfect for precision sanding and getting those tough-to-reach spots. These tools aren't just about removing rough edges, they're about transforming your projects into professional masterpieces. In this video, we'll review the Bosch GSS18 V10 Cordless Orbital Sander, the Skill 1.2 amp Multi-Sander SR232323001, the Black Decker Mouse Detail Sander BDEMS600, and the Works 20V PowerShare Sandic 5-in-1 Multi-Sander. Whether you need cordless convenience, powerful motors, or multifunctional designs, these sanders have you covered. Stay tuned as we take a deep dive into their features, pros, and cons to help you decide which one suits your needs. And remember, all the products we discuss are linked in the description box below and pinned in the first comment for your convenience. Don't miss out, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. Bosch GSS18 V10 Cordless Orbital Sander L-Box 136. When it comes to cordless sanders, the Bosch GSS18 V10 stands out as a top-tier choice. This lightweight and portable sander is powered by an 18V battery, providing the freedom to move around without being tied to an outlet. The ergonomic design ensures maximum comfort, even during extended sanding sessions. What makes this sander exceptional is its innovative microfilter system, which captures fine dust particles, leaving your workspace clean. Additionally, its powerful motor delivers smooth and even sanding, whether you're working on wood, metal, or plastic. With its compact size and sturdy L-Box storage case, it's ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike. Check the description box to grab this amazing tool on Amazon and elevate your projects today. Skill 1.2 amp Multi-Sander SR2323301. For those on a budget, the Skill 1.2 amp Multi-Sander is a fantastic option that doesn't compromise on performance. Equipped with a powerful 1.2 amp motor, this sander offers reliable power for various tasks. Its compact triangular design is perfect for reaching tight spaces and corners, making it ideal for detailed woodworking or furniture refinishing. One standout feature is its dust collection system, which keeps your work area neat while improving visibility. Whether you're smoothing edges or prepping surfaces, the Skill Multi-Sander ensures precision and ease of use. Find the link to this affordable yet efficient tool in the description box and pinned comment. Black Decker Mouse Detail Sander BDEMS600. The Black Decker Mouse Detail Sander is a favorite among DIY enthusiasts for its precision and user-friendly design. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for intricate sanding tasks. The precision tip makes it easy to reach tight spaces, while the powerful motor ensures smooth finishes on wood, metal, and more. Another great feature is its dust collection system, which includes a microfiltration bag for cleaner air and less cleanup. Whether you're working on crafts or professional projects, this sander is reliable and efficient. Don't forget to check the description box for the link to this Amazon bestseller. Works 20V PowerShare Sandic 5-in-1 Multi-Sander. The Works 20V PowerShare Sandic takes versatility to the next level with its 5-in-1 functionality. It easily switches between random orbital, detail, and finishing sanding modes, making it a must-have for various projects. Powered by a 20V battery, this tool delivers consistent performance and cordless freedom. Its tool-less pad change system ensures quick transitions between tasks, saving you time and effort. The ergonomic grip and lightweight design make it comfortable to use even during long hours. If you're looking for an all-in-one sander, check the first comment for the Amazon link to this powerhouse tool. Thank you for joining us in exploring the best detail sanders on Amazon for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend DIY enthusiast, these tools offer something for everyone. From the Bosch GSS18 V10's cordless convenience to the Works PowerShare Sandic's versatility, you're sure to find the perfect fit for your projects. If you're ready to upgrade your toolkit, don't forget to check the description box below and the pinned comment for direct links to these amazing sanders. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Tool Mentorship for more reviews, and let us know in the comments which sander caught your eye. Until next time, happy sanding.